On January 26, the peaceful farmers' protest took a violent turn. Police were attacked, farmers were beaten up, a protester died as well, and the capital city was a complete chaos. Red Fort was vandalized and internet connectivity, metro services were shut down. While all these incidents were covered for a day or two, there is still someone who is still hogging the headlines. Deep Sidhu, a Punjabi actor. The actor turned politician has been blamed by several farmer leaders for tainting their protests against farm laws with the breach of Red Fort. Let's look at who Deep Sidhu is, what is his background, why is he being blamed, where is he now, and what's his relationship with Bollywood actor Sunny Deol. Deep Sidhu started his career in films in 2015 with a movie called Ramta Jogi. But he got recognized in 2018 with his movie Jora Das Nambriya. The law graduate who practiced for a short time became an actor later. So the real question here is, why is the actor being blamed for turning a peaceful protest into a violent one? What was his role in the protest? Firstly, Deep Sidhu is one of the major suspects in the eyes of Delhi police in Red Fort violence FIR. His charges: destruction of property, robbery, and attempt to murder. Secondly, Sidhu did a Facebook Live while hoisting the pennant from the Red Fort. He was seen as saying, "We have only hoisted the Nishan Sahib flag at the Red Fort while exercising our democratic right to protest." In a video footage from the incident, Sidhu was caught fleeing from the spot as the situation aggravated. He jumps onto a motorbike and escapes. Since then, Sidhu has been missing. The farm leaders claimed that fringe elements like Sidhu led to the violence breakout. In the aftermath of tractor rally, Sidhu defended the farmers' action on removing the flag, saying they did not remove the national flag and had put up the Nishan Sahib flag as symbolic protest. The Nishan Sahib, a symbol of Sikh religion, is seen at all Gurudwaras. He also posted a video on Facebook while being on the run. Here's the video.
ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਸੰਗਤ ਨੇ ਆਪ ਮੁਹਾਰੇ ਹੁਣ ਦੀਪ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਭੜਕਾ ਗਿਆ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਸੋਚੋ ਵੀ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਲੋਕ ਕੱਲਾ ਦੀਪ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਭੜਕਾ ਗਿਆ। ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੇ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਦੇ ਝੰਡੇ ਹੀ ਆ ਨਾ, ਹੋਰ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ। ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਹਿੰਸਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ, ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਭੜਕਾਇਆ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ 'ਚ ਰਹੋ, ਏਕੇ 'ਚ ਰਹੋ।
Sidhu is said to be a close associate of Bollywood actor and BJP's Gurdaspur MP Sunny Deol. In May 2019, during the Lok Sabha elections, Sidhu was the agent of Sunny Deol. There's a video as well where Sunny Deol can be seen saying that he thinks of Sidhu as his younger brother.
Deep nu assi jaande kafi salan to he's like a younger brother to me, and he wanted to showed his interest wanting to join films.
However, after the incident, Deol has distanced himself from Sidhu. In a tweet, he said that he and his family have no relationship with him. Deep Sidhu first took an active role in the protest when a bandh was called on September 25 by farmers' bodies. He, along with other artists and activists, gave a call for a sit-in protest at Shambhu border point between Delhi and Haryana. The unexpected turnout overshadowed all other protests. Deep Sidhu then started a permanent sit-in at Shambhu border, gaining attention. His rising popularity was viewed by some farmers' unions as a threat to their agenda. They accused him of using his stardom to divert attention from the actual problem. Swaraj Abhiyan leader Yogendra Yadav said that Sidhu had been dissociated from their protest right from the beginning. The Samyukt Kisan Morcha, an umbrella body of 41 farmers' union that is leading the protest, also dissociated itself from those who indulged in violence during the tractor parade and alleged that some anti-social elements infiltrated their otherwise peaceful protest. Meanwhile, the Congress and Aam Aadmi Party named Sidhu to allege a conspiracy by the centre. Congress leader Randeep Surjewala said during a press conference that the violent protest was a conspiracy aided and abetted by Modi government that took place to malign the entire farmers' movement. He added that Deep Sidhu and others who were involved were seen in the past with Prime Minister and the Home Minister. Sidhu has been under investigation since last month. The National Investigation Agency (NIA) registered a case against Sikhs for Justice and had also issued notices to Sidhu and his brother Mandeep Singh. However, he did not appear before the NIA last week after he was summoned in connection with Sikhs for Justice case. The NIA source said that Sidhu was asked to appear before the agency on January 17th as a witness, but he did not appear despite a summons issued to him.